Hi, this is Joseph Quijano, Certified Financial Planner.
And I'm Jordan Quijano. We want to welcome you back to Fireside Chats. This is episode 5 already.
That's right.
And tonight we're going to be talking about a very, very crucial topic, which is financial literacy. We hear about this all the time when people not only searching online or in Google, but just how to find out what is some of the information just to get ahead financially. The basic foundation on how you can make money work for you, how you can pay less in taxes, and most of all, have a sound retirement that you can always count on.
You know, this is the training or the education that we should have been taught in schools.
Absolutely.
But unfortunately, our school system has failed us because they're not getting us ready to go into the economy and weather any storms that may come along the way. So financial literacy really means knowing what to do with your money, basically.
Yes.
What to do with your money, whether it is earning it, saving it, investing it, and spending it. And you know what? We have a terrible, terrible problem here in this country with high credit card debt. You know, a lot of people are drowning in debt. They just don't know exactly how to get out of it. And the Become the Banker strategy can help people get totally out of debt, be totally debt-free. Listen to this carefully. Debt-free in 9 years or less, including paying off their mortgage without refinancing their home. How good is that, Jordan?
It's phenomenal. And that's what we've been preaching for many, many years now, over 25 years with this particular concept. Like you've said in the past, you've been in financial planning for over 50 years, but this concept has been the staple to your financial planning for about 25, 30 years now. And that's the whole goal, is not just building for wealth tomorrow, not just for retirement, but using the money today to get out of debt, pay those nasty credit cards off and those high mortgages, and put the money back in your pocket so you can have more when it comes to retirement time.
The best way to retire, to me, is to retire with a pool of money, a source of income coming in, and absolutely no debt. That is what I call total financial security. No debt and income coming in. That's the perfect way to retire. And the Become the Banker strategy will help you do just that. Build a beautiful pool of money and take you out of debt in 9 years or less. Now, how good is that?
So going back to the whole title of this episode, financial literacy, what really is this? I mean, this is where you need to have the basics, as we mentioned, a budget, which we're not taught about these days. Just the simple financial plan of putting all your information in one area. You know, what happens when you pass away? I don't know if you've had a family member, a parent, or an elder grandparent who's passed away, and you've had to go through their papers to try to figure out if they've got life insurance, if they have retirement accounts, IRAs, just bank accounts, because in today's world, we really don't talk about what we have as a family, where our financial accounts sit, or who our financial advisor may even be. And that's a big problem. So really, we want to offer you not only just the video information we're providing today, but we're actually going to have a link down below, right above the comment section, where you can find a downloadable PDF of a budget to put your financials together, number one, and number two, of what we call a brochure of vital information. This is information that anybody should have put together. And really, you should have a will or a trust, but this is a good step to put that information together in one area and at least get your foot going in the right direction.
You know something, we give this to all of our clients because we believe in having organization. We believe in having our clients to be totally organized financially. So we're in essence teaching them financial literacy. So I want to thank you for watching our video today. I know we get a lot of comments on the Fireside Chats. People like you love them. And I want to thank you for being in our home and spending time with us today.
Right.
And I want you to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to it, subscribe now to the channel, like us on the channel, and then hit the notification bell to make sure that you get notified when the next video will arrive.
Always, we encourage to leave comments, but the best form of contact is if you go ahead and click the link below and sign up for a free one-on-one consultation. This will give you the ability to meet with Joseph and myself on a one-on-one consultation completely free of charge, no obligation, no cost, just the way so we can sit down and find out what your goals are financially and how we can help you achieve those. So thank you again, and we'll see you on the next Fireside Chats.